It's
The National
Albert
Weather Service in
Lincoln.
Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Elbert County, North Central Lincoln County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:48 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Lemon, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lyman around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Genoa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National